Hi guys, Kadjo here and you're watching M News. KTM Philippines in cooperation with Ayala Land Incorporated launched the KTM Riders Academy in the presence of KTM owners and motoring media. The program is to make off-road motorcycling more accessible to all through safe and enjoyable ride experiences. The event was held at the Alviera in Porac, Pampanga last April 30, 2022. Let's find more about the story after saying thanks to our partners. KTM has unparalleled expertise in the two-wheel off-road world, and it is the leading force in off-road motorsports competitions worldwide and offers a comprehensive range of off-road capable machines. KTM Riders Academy was born out of the need to share the joys and rewards of the sport with as many people as possible. The KTM Riders Academy offers training courses in the techniques of off-road riding within a 1-day or 2-day program depending on the course. It caters to riders of all skill levels, from complete beginners to seasoned riders seeking a tailored and effective way to hone their riding abilities. The courses offer specific coaching on single-cylinder enduro machines as well as on larger displacement, travel-oriented multi-cylinder motorcycles. The courses will be taught by two of KTM Philippines elite instructors, Jermel F. Sibilia and Patrick North C. Orbe, both of whom were sent to Phuket, Thailand to train and get certified by KTM master trainers from Europe. They were selected according to their outstanding riding experience, previous coaching experience, professionalism, and personable attitude. The KTM Riders Academy courses will take place in KTM Philippines' newest off-road training facilities in Vermosa in Imus, Cavite and in Alviera in Porac, Pampanga. What better way to enjoy the KTM 300 EXC TPI 6 days and KTM 350 EXC F TPI 6 days than enrolling in the KTM Riders Academy, said Dino Santos, President and COO of KTM Philippines. For inquiries about the KTM Riders Academy, you may send them a message on their official social media channels on Facebook, KTM Philippines, or Instagram, ktm.philippines, and through their website, www.ktmphilippines.com. Now that KTM Philippines have world-class instructors to help make your motoring life a more enjoyable one, go get yourselves the best performance motorcycles to complement your riding skills. There are the adventure bikes that has been continuing to stand out here in the country, and now of course the new 6 days performance machines that are now available in the market. Enroll now at the KTM Riders Academy and please visit our website www.rammedia.com for more updates in the motoring industry.